Hey guys, welcome back to Kit Raceway. Today we're going to have a little fun. We have an H case that I recently did an unboxing on, and we're going to race some cars. The fun thing about it is we're going to race it downhill style as usual, but we're going to also have a back and forth 33 feet. How it's going to go. We're going to do the best of three, 2 at a time. Nice. Some pretty good racing. Let's go over some of the cars. This is what we got in the lineup. Well, that's nice. Somebody wants a buddy. So we're going to open up another duck and roll. And this is exciting. I have the new recolor right here of the XJ220. Super fast car. These orange varieties are smoking fast. And here's a couple of the other cars. Haven't raced this one before. Looking forward to that. Haven't raced this or this one. That is a beautiful car. That'd be interesting to see. Or this. It's okay. Also, this is one I'm excited about. Here we are right here. This Cyclone is really cool. And it's nice. It feels heavy. It's all black. Kind of reminds me of... This is a neat new recolor. All blue wheels like that. That is awesome. This will be a great race, I think. The Nerve Hammer is a fast car, and then this McLaren's just cool. So let's see if that can... That I picked up from Walmart the other day. It's a Tesla Model 3 and a circle tracker, and I believe it was out of a D case. So there's one thing that's not out of an H case. I just wanted to include it and see if it was awesome. And there's also this Tokyo 2020 car. It's a nice heavy car. That's a nice wide wheelbase. I'm kind of excited about that one too. And these other ones. All right, you guys. Let me get my helpers. Let's get this started.
Open them up, girls.
There's the XJ220. Been looking forward to this recolor. All right. Teams of two. Teams of two. This is kind of a new recolor. I like the blue on blue there. Those are cool. That's a pretty new recolor. And then the Nerve Hammer. I just love this color combination. Just love it. Like it's just a really pretty car. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Hopefully it'll fit. We'll see. Decent weight. Yeah.
Looking good, looking good.
That's pretty cool. And this moves. It's pretty neat. I think he'll do pretty well on this track. Looking fast. That is a gorgeous truck. Awesome. All right, I'm excited. Okay, we're ripped and ready to go. Here's our participants. Good looking set of brand new H case cars. Let's get this started. First two up in lane 1 is the XJ220, and lane 2 is the Duck and Roll. All right, first race. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, the XJ220 takes the first win. Let's switch lanes. Okay, we switched the lanes. Oh, first winner will be the XJ220, barely. Good. Next group. All right, here we go. Let's see who's gonna win. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's pretty tight. Oh, look at that. He pulls it out. Nice comeback. Oh, it's pretty tight. Oh, look at that. He pulls it out. First win for the Mopar. Let's see if the Corvette can even it up. got the lead. He's got the lead. Can he hold it? Oh, yes. Got the lead. He's got the lead. Can he hold it? Oh, yes.
Lane 2.
With the win, he's going to face the XJ next. All right, next two. All right, the Audi in lane 1. The Ninja prototype in lane 2. Let's see who's going to win. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, the Audi with the win so far. He's going to take it. Yeah, nice comeback. Oh, the Audi with the win so far. He's going to take it. Okay, we switch lanes. 3, 2, 1, go. The Audi with the lead so far, and he is going to take it. He won. All right. The Audi with the lead so far, and he is going. Okay, he's going to take on the winner of this group. Okay, the Nissan GT-R in lane 1 and the Power Rocket, I believe, in lane 2. Let's see. 2, 1, go. Nissan with the lead, slight lead. Oh, the Power Rocket. Oh, he did it. Nissan with the lead, slight lead. Oh, the Power Rocket. Okay, we switch lanes. Let's see what's going to happen. First win to the Power Rocket. Your mark, get set, go. Ooh, good race, good race. And the Nissan loses right at the last second. Ooh, good race, good race. And the Nissan. There's the losers. Here's the winners so far. Next group. Be interesting to see this Ninja Turtle. Okay, we have the Ninja Turtle in lane 1 and the El Camino in lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Ninja Turtle looks pretty quick. Oh, he pulls it out. Nice comeback. Ninja Turtle looks pretty quick. Oh, he pulls it out. All right, first win to the Ninja Turtle. On your mark, get set, go. Ninja Turtle's pretty quick. And he is going. Ninja Turtle's pretty quick. And he is going to. Interesting. But he's out. We have another El Camino and the Corvette. Let's see who's going to win. Go. Oh, the Corvette's moving. And he takes the first win, lane 1. Oh, the Corvette's moving. And he takes the. All right, we switch lanes. Let's see who's going to win. On your mark, get set, go. That Corvette's quick. And he got her one. That Corvette's quick. And he got her one. Shaping up to be a pretty good race. All right, let's see if that Corvette can win. Here, the Volvo and the Corvette. Go. Oh, the Volvo with the win so far. Oh, he wrecks, and the Corvette takes the first win. Oh, the Volvo. Corvette takes the first win. All right, we're going to see if he can stay on the track this time. The Volvo in lane 1 and the Corvette in lane 2. Go. Good race. And the Volvo's going to pull it out. What a comeback. Good race. And the Volvo. Okay. Switch lanes. Let's see if you can stay on the track this time. On your mark, get set, go. That Volvo's pretty quick. Oh, he wrecked again.
Lane 1.
I'm gonna move the Corvette on. Looking car. Never raced this one before. Let's see how he does. Okay, we got the Formula Solar and the Nova Wagon, I believe. Let's see. On your mark, get set, go. Wow, Nova Wagon is quick. Or the solar car just sucks. It's the first win to the Nova Wagon. On your mark, get set, go. Ooh. Looks like an easy win for the Nova Wagon. Somebody's riding the struggle bus here. All right, next race. Going against the Corvette next. All right, next up is the Cool One and the Bone Shaker. All right, the Cool One in lane 1 and the Bone Shaker in lane 2. Go. Cool one. Oh, the bone shaker. All right, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the chill mill's looking pretty good. Oh, the chill mill cannot stay on the track. Oh, the chill mill's looking pretty good. Oh, the chill mill cannot stay on the track. And he's disqualified. So the bone shaker's gonna move on. All right, this is something I wanted to see. Here's the Cyclone against the Porsche. Cyclone in lane 1, Porsche in lane 2. Go. Well, the Porsche absolutely destroyed. It looks like he's running free, but switching lanes. Let's see if the Cyclone can do any better on this second lane here. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. And Porsche looking good. And he's going to be victorious. Well, don't you just stink. Next to Porsche in lane 1. Custom Ford Maverick in lane 2. Should be a pretty good race. Okay, let her rip. Hey, the Porsche looking good. Alright, he takes the first win. Well, he's been disqualified. He's too wide for my curve track right here. He gets stuck. Alright, that means the Porsche moves on. Sorry, guys. Next up, GTR lane 1. The Tokyo 2020 High Beam lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Oh yeah, the Nissan GTR looking good. Very nice. Oh yeah, the Nissan GTR looking good. Okay, High Beam lane 1, Nissan GTR lane 2. Alright, let's see who's gonna win. First win to the Nissan. Go. Nissan's quick. And he's going to pull it out. He's moving on. Good race. That's how it's looking so far. Good looking group of cars. All right. Next heat. Okay, we got the McLaren P1, lane 1, and the Nerve Hammer. Awesome new recolor, lane 2. Let's see who's going to win. Let go. Nerve Hammer looks good. Oh, he's awesome. Yes. Very quick Nerve Hammer lane 1. McLaren not near as quick. Lane to go. Ooh, he's quick. Yes. All right. Moving on. Okay, we got 5 more heats in this first round. Let's keep going. Here we go. The Honda S2000 lane 1. The Thresher in lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Hey, Thresher looking good. Yes, Thresher takes it. All right, switch lanes. All right. Honda S2000, lane 2. Thresher, lane 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Thresher looks good. I don't think he's going to be able to beat him. Nice job. Thresher's moving on. All right, he's got his hands full with that Nerve Hammer. Next group. Okay, we have the D-Case cars. Sorry, one group of D-Case cars. The Circle Tracker. He's got to be fast. He looks like a race car. And the Tesla. Now, this thing has some really nice weight to it. Go. Ooh, Circle Tracker's quick. Okay, Circle Tracker lane 2, switching lanes. Tesla, who was not very impressive, lane 1. On your mark, get set, go. Well, it looks like the Circle Tracker's gonna take it pretty easy. Okay, lane 1 will be the Sky Dome, and the Linzer Prototype in lane 2. Go. Hey, look at there, Sky Dome. And he takes it. All right, we're switching lanes. Let's see if the Sky Dome can pull this out and move on. Go. Oh, it's quick. Sky Dome takes it. And he is going to be victorious. Okay, we got the Robo car. Always a quick car. Probably perfect for this track. And the old Heavy Nova. On your mark, get set, go. Woo! Robo car looks good. Hit a speed bump. And he takes it. Woo! Robo car looks good. Hit a speed bump. And he takes it. All right, we're gonna put the Nova in lane 1. We're gonna put the Robocar in lane 2. Target, set, go. Looking good, looking good. Oh, very nice. Robocar is moving on. All right, last race of the first round. So we got the Twin Mill Gen 2, I think, Gen E, and the Nova Wagon. All right, let's see who's gonna win. Get set, go. Hey, Nova Wagon's moving quite nicely, and he's going to win. Hey, Nova Wagon's moving quite nicely, and he's going to... All right, we're switching lanes again. Is this the last race of the first round? Neymar, get set, go. Nova Wagon looking good. Takes the turn. He's gonna win. What a comeback. Nice job. Nova Wagon looking good. Takes the turn. He's gonna win. That completes the first round. All right. Here's the second round coming up. Good looking group of cars. It'll be a great race. Stay tuned.